The Samsung Z Roll 5G represents a groundbreaking evolution in smartphone design, taking the foldable trend to a whole new level with its innovative rollable display. Unlike traditional phones that are fixed in size, the Z Roll 5G can expand and retract, transforming seamlessly from a compact, pocket-friendly device into a larger, tablet-like screen when you need more space for streaming, gaming, multitasking, or productivity. This adaptability makes it ideal for users who want the portability of a small phone without sacrificing the immersive experience of a larger display. Under the hood, the Z Roll 5G is powered by a high-performance processor and fully supports 5G connectivity, ensuring lightning-fast speeds, smooth multitasking, and effortless handling of demanding apps and games. Its advanced camera system allows for high-quality photography and videography, capturing sharp and vibrant images in almost any condition, while the display delivers rich colors, deep contrasts, and ultra-smooth motion that enhances everything from media consumption to gaming. Samsung has also focused on durability, integrating robust materials and engineering solutions to ensure the rollable mechanism can withstand daily use. Beyond hardware, the Z Roll 5G incorporates software optimizations tailored to the rollable experience, such as dynamic app layouts and multitasking features that automatically adjust when the screen expands or contracts. This makes switching between a compact phone mode and an extended tablet mode seamless and intuitive. With its futuristic design, versatile functionality, and cutting-edge technology, the Samsung Z Roll 5G is not just another smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile devices, proving that innovation can merge style, performance, and adaptability in a single revolutionary package.